Now, when it's really cold outside and those winter winds are blowing, freeze damage can occur to your outside hose bibs. Now, if damage occurs to a hose bib like this, particularly on a masonry wall, it may require bricks to be removed, the plumber to come out and repair the damage, and then bricks to be reinstalled. That can cost a lot of money. Now, I've seen homeowners use a lot of methods over the years to prevent this type of damage, including wrapping newspapers around the hose bibs, wrapping old towels around it, even using garbage bags. All of those methods will work some, but there are more modern ways of taking care of it. One that I like is a hose bib cover that's an insulated cover that's available at most home centers. And what it basically consists of is foam on the inside with gasket material, and then this little hook, that what you do here is you hook it around the stem of the hose bib, and you position this right in place. You clip it closed like that, then you tighten this up, and it will hold the insulated cover right against the wall nice and tight, and will prevent this hose bib from having a problem this winter.